to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween coloring tutorial for 3 Halloween colorings that I made. So here's the first one. It is more of like an autumn / like Halloween, I guess, type of coloring. Here's the second one. It's, I guess, an aesthetic one. And here's the third one, which anyone can basically use. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start off with this one. So what you're gonna do first is you are going to go on to 24 FPS and you are going to import your video, and you're gonna use the Honey QR code. I don't have it, so unfortunately I cannot give it, but you can just search up Honey 24 FPS QR code on Google or Safari or any other like searching web browser thing, and it should come up. Next, you're going to go on to ultra light, and I have the preset, so I will show you guys the photos, and then we are going to go on to Instagram, and you are going to swipe, and you're going to select your video. The filter is called Cutie with like a little face with 3 hearts, and you can just search that up and save it, add it to favorites. Then you can go ahead and save your video. So that is basically how you do the first coloring. Here's how it should end up looking. Now time for this one. So this one is also pretty easy. What you do is you go on to B612 and you import your video, but you go into AR filters and you kind of scroll. It's like back here somewhere. It's the alien face one. After they are saved, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to 24 FPS once again. You're going to import your video, and you're going to do the gray moody QR code, and you can also search this up on any web browser, because unfortunately I couldn't find it. Next, you're going to go into Prequel or Precal, whatever, and what you do is, so 40 for the blur, you can do 50, which I did 50, but you can do whatever you want. Then the filter is, I don't know how to say it, so I'll just put it on the screen. And then you do Stardust, and it gives little like purple sparkles. Then you can save that to your camera roll, and that is basically it. So for the second coloring, you're again going to use this alien face, and this time you're going to go into 24 FPS, and you are going to add the, no, sorry, not this. You are going to add the honey filter on top, like this. And this one is going to be more of like an orange coloring, because you know Halloween colors are orange and like purple, black, right? Then you're gonna go into Prequel, and it's the same settings as the last coloring except for the filter. The filters and like those things are a little bit different, so you can import that and do the same settings. So for the filter, you're gonna do Novel 1 at, sorry, it's supposed to be 35. And then for the effects, you're gonna do this one. You can just search it up. You can search up Halloween, and it is the third one. It's this one. And what you're gonna do is you can put the text scale to 0, filter to 0, and the texture you can do on, because it's the little like spider webs. And that is how you do this this coloring. So that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next week for a new video. Bye!